Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to pose your Tinder profile. So just tap and log into your Tinder account and you may go in the profile icon which is right bottom. Just tap it. So here you will go in the top right corner of gear icon which shows you the more settings of Tinder. So just tap it. So here you will scroll down a little bit and find in the last you will see the option which is uh, delete account. Just tap to this delete account and pausing your account will put it on hold and log you out. Other users will not see your profile. So just tap to this pause my account. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.